Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cancel your Google Photos storage subscription, so let's get right into it. Now, this is all in the package of a Google One subscription, so you'll be canceling that, and you can do this both on PC and on mobile devices, except you will need a web browser for this, so it's a bit more practical to do it on PC, but you can do it anywhere you would like. But without further ado, let's get into the steps really quickly, and I am using this help article on the support page. You can check it out yourself if you have any other questions. But to cancel a Drive storage plan, and the reason it says Drive is because it's all connected through the Google Cloud. It includes both Drive, Photos, and any other service you have on Google. And you just need to go to google.com/settings/storage, and then you need to sign into your account, of course, where you have that subscription. And then under Plan, you can just go and click Cancel. Then you can review changes to storage that will happen after you cancel it. Of course, you will be back to the standard amount of free storage which you receive with your Google account, and then you can just confirm by clicking Cancel Plan, and that will cancel your subscription. And you will receive a confirmation email about your cancellation, and on the start of the next month or at the next due date for your subscription, your storage will be downgraded back to the 15 gigabytes for Google Drive, Google Photos, and Gmail. So just keep that in mind. But that is pretty much what you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.